#1 most dangerous job in the world.
Oh, you know what, hon? Good morning, guys. Good morning. Look at the two are here. Hi, Miss. Come up. Come here, Miss. Come. Let's go, Misty. Come. Come here, Miss. Come here, Misty. Come here, Misty. Come here, Miss. You wanna go get Dada? Where's Dada? Dada's coming. He's coming. I don't know. I know he's coming today. Come here. Eat your breakfast. Misty, come. Come here, Mitch. I'll give you some treats after. Oh, don't run away from the food. There's something wrong with you. Come here. Eat. Eat. Good girl. Eat. There's something wrong with you. I'm not giving you dry food.
Taken by the words that you say, the voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all.
Nag-film ako ng look na ito, guys. The Transformer. Sa isang channel ko yun i-upload, guys. Hindi dito na channel na to. And it's already 11 o'clock. It's really just 11 o'clock. And Tommy, I called Tommy like 8 something, 8:45. And then he's still in bed. And he still need to drop his mother to dialysis. Hindi ko na iron talaga yung buhok ko kasi I don't wanna do that like too much. I just iron here on top and in front, mostly in front, but even that I don't even just like iron it like crazy. Iron it like this. Maraming sad news, guys, every time you watch TV. Yung ganyan, sa narinig nyo yun, yung car in Virginia. Nakakatakot, di ba? Hi guys, I take off my makeup and because I'm going to the store and I think I cannot go out with that makeup. I mean, it's normal makeup, guys, but I feel like thicker. You know, yung lips go super bold. So, it's really nice looking makeup, but I wanna be like going out with like, because I feel like if I wore makeup out, like too much makeup, like, even it's not too much. That wasn't too much anyway, but even if I have that kind of makeup, like red lips, have a nice makeup on my face and my eyes, I feel like people are like staring at me. And I kind of uncomfortable. But I have to train myself going out with that. But ang laki ng mata ko, guys, diba? My eyes is really big. Did you notice that too, guys? My eyes is really huge. And you know what? I like, guys, the vitamin E oil. I put it in my face, in this one. But I also put it around my nose every night. And even the daytime, after washing my face, I always do that now. I like the thing. There's no dryness around it. There's no, but this one is dry still. And did you see? But it's still oily. It's not oil, guys. Well, it's not like oily when you touch it. There's oil in your hand. No, it's just the shine and everything. I noticed that too. And this one over here is healing, and it's get dry sometimes. And I have to put vitamin oil to get if there's no scarring. But the vitamin oil, I have to do that, guys. Vitamin oil around here. This one here. This one here. I have to put right here too. strawberry with lemon cluster. I've been buying this, but I never seen a big box. I told them that their dada is coming. Tignan nyo guys. Oh, you know. It's not here yet. Oh my God. Stop whining, Rox. Not here yet. You'll see him later. Right? He's coming and you go get him later. What have you been whining in there? What are you barking in there? Misty, what in there, Misty? What did you see? Marami ng hinog ay. Oh, Hobbs is crying. Let's go, Hobbs is crying. Let's go get Dada. Come here. Come here. Hobbs is crying. Stop. Misty? Dada's coming, that's why. Dada's here. That's oh my God, Roxy is just a crying and Misty is a barker. Come here, Dada's there. Why are you crying, Rox? Why it takes forever, Han? You texted me 1 o'clock something. 1:45. I put it back. Do you have stamps?
I'm gonna kick you right in the butthole.
But you have the stamps.
I want my black stamps back.
I'll keep it.
I want my black stamps
back.
back.
But you will lose
I
it.
want.
You will lose it. And you know where I found it? In every bag and everywhere in the basement.
I put supersonic Costco because I keep buying it here and you keep it here and I don't have none.
Well, you know.
So I'm like the middle of the night. I'm hungry. I want
bring
something.
it. You bring it here. So it's, don't blame
my
me.
stromboli that I had nice. Nobody likes stromboli but me. It's gone. You guys cooked it up and ate it.
Stromboli?
Yeah.
What is stromboli?
It's rolled with the cheese and the pepperoni.
There's still one downstairs, Tommy.
I didn't see one.
Well, you don't look. You just talk and don't look.
So I bought one that's not cooked. That you actually have to cook. I know that won't get taken.
What else did you get from Costco?
Honey, because you keep saying you don't have any honey here.
I have honey. I just told you that before.
You told me last time I was here. You said you don't have honey.
I know, but I got it.
And I said I thought you took it from the house. You said no, I don't.
No,
have
I bought it.
All the seasonings, 2 lemon juice, steak,
what did you
salmon.
do with that?
Honey, they had 2 out there. They were marked $7.99 a pound. The guy brought out other ones to put in there with it. They were marked $11.99 a pound. $4 more per pound.
How many cats?
So the one I got was $154. The one he brought out was $225.
How many cats do you do the whole steak? How many slices?
I kept 10 and gave you 8. So it was 18.
So 18 all total. But
I figured I'd keep them because you just go to shop at the house anyway.
I don't have food here. I always have dry food. Now I have pain here, kidneys problem again.
Huh? Oh, hon, whose fault is it? You come take food from the house, you go shopping, but you shop for crappy stuff and then you complain you don't have food. How the hell?
Your mouth is just like, you know, your mouth is just...
Buy food that's good. Don't buy crap stuff. Up it.
Let me check if that tray is because I really thought that, you know what guys, kapag naririnig ko silang naliligo, nagkapakapa balik. I miss it. It reminds me of when I was in...
Good exercise.
It reminds me of when I was in the Philippines, the river. You just jump and nagkapakapa. You have to boil it more first, right? I think that's good enough. I'm boiling water here, guys, for my pasta. And we have the crab legs and the lobster tail. Tommy got it from Costco. There you go. garlic. Slice it very thinly. You put garlic in it, Han?
Where?
Onion garlic powder?
Onion Italian.
Yeah, okay. Oh, there's salad. Oh, I bought salad. I forgot I have salad. Salad, steak, and pasta, lobster tail, and thank you. It makes me dizzy eating it.
Gotta go to Maine and get fresh Maine lobster.
It's really good. That lobster, not the tail, the
Crab legs.
crab legs.
King crab. You don't get that at Red Lobster, you get snow crab at Red Lobster.
It's really good.
Snow crab's not as good as king crab. But it's a lot cheaper.
Really? Why is that?
Because it's easier to get. King crabs, you watch the world's most dangerous jobs, king crab fishing is the #1 most dangerous job in the world.
Tell me why is it dangerous?
Because they're out on boats in the Arctic, and the whole boat's covered with ice, and they're to get these king crabs. It's watch.
Geographic, like that?
Yeah, National Geographic, like world's most dangerous jobs, and you'll see that's the #1 most dangerous job.
Why is it? Because icy?
And yeah, they fall off the boats. The boats are being tossed all over the place, and they're covered with ice. The rails are covered with ice.
Oh my god! Oh, I see that one. Where is Roxy? Oh, it's right there. Oh my! Holy cow! Oh my god! Look at that human, oh, holding it. Is that the one I'm eating?
This is spider crabs. You find them out.
Is that the one I'm eating? That's an ugly one. Oh.
They're ugly. They're like this.
Oh my god.
That's what they look like in Jersey Shore.
You can eat those?
I don't ever try to eat them. Forget it. Now, king crab.
Oh, guys, look at this. Hold on, it's focusing. Look at the legs, guys. It's almost like half of his body taller. He went cold.
I'm hot, she's cold. I'm nice, she's mean. Opposite.
Yo, you know what, Han? Ay, nako.
Hey, opposite.
No, but not all that. Not that, huh? Yeah, you're always looking for some trouble. Troublemaker.
Old, she's young.
We both love each other. We do? You do?
Yep.
You said he said that. You know what?
I'm not as squishy, she isn't as squishy.
You know what, guys? What is this, guys? Every time I talk to him about love, he do like this. And you know what?
I do not do that. First of all, that's exactly the difference.
Yeah,
I'm scratching the itch with my thumb.
There's a lot of people.
This is different.
I know, but there's a lot
That's
of
an
people.
Italian expression.
I know, but there's a lot of people that you do wanna do it.
That's Italian.
Yeah, but
It's
yeah, you know where I learned that?
from an Italian, I guess.
No.
As a matter of fact, most people know what it means. They don't have to be Italian.
Yeah. Don't hit Roxy, okay? Han, I see don't hit Roxy. No, he's not playing with that, Han. They're not a cat. Han, you know that's illegal, Han. I see don't go that to the outside of our area, Han. Disco light rocks. Disco rocks. Anyway, guys. Good night, guys. Good night, Han. Han. See you night.
Alright, you want to point this in the camera? Screw the lens up.
Do it.
Not good, huh?
Not good? Night, guys. Bye-bye. Disco, guys. But anyway, guys, we just had dinner, so we're full. So I'm gonna end this video early. Well, it's not early. It's 8 o'clock already. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Yep, see you tomorrow. Bye! Good night, guys. Ay, nako. Nakakaloka talaga ito, guys. Yun ang ayaw kong magpunta ng mga fast food chains, lalo